Hello, Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Husna Yusuf. Today I'm going to do a demo on how to use Gamilab as an options to create a game-based lesson. First of all, what you need to do is to open the Gamilab website. And then on the right side here, you need to log in. Okay, please use any of the preferences that you like, whether Google account, Facebook account, Microsoft account, Twitter account, or using your email. Okay. This is the interface of the Gamilab. On the left side, you can see the game type that it's available. There are previously there are only 3 types of game: bike game, King of Mountain, and Explore. Recently, they have added one more game, which is Puff Ghost. And on the left side, also you can see the target audience available. These are all the games that is available on the library. All right. And then you can sort the game to the most played and the least played, or be according to the alphabetical. If you want to use the game that is being done before, these are the sample of the games that is available in the library if you want to use it today we are going to create our own library, our own game. First of all, what we have to do, we have to click to the buttons on top, the create button here. And then number 2, what we have to do, we have to give the name to the game that we want to do. For example, I'm going to do a game to year 3 student on solar system. Year 3. Then create a game. From there, you will be seeing this screen. In the screen, on the left side of the screen, you can see the stages that you need to fill up. First of all, we have done the name of the game. And number 2, you have to key in the descriptions of the game. What do you want your students to do? For example, I want my students to choose the correct answer. Okay. Description. So I've done the title and descriptions. And then the next step will be the target audience. My target audience are my students, which are lower primary students, country from Malaysia, and they are going to use English language. Next, let's say I want to collaborate with my students, any of my students, or any other teachers in my school teaching the same subject. I just add in their email here. All right. If I don't want anybody else to collaborate with me, just leave it blank. And then next, the next stage will be game board. Choose the game that you want to create. Like myself, I want to create Puffy Goose game. So I click here. So the level of the game would be basic. Okay. From there, you can see another new screen on your computer. What you need to do is that you need to edit the questions here. And from here, if you want to find question from the question bank, you click on the right side. If you want to create your own question, just click the blue button here and fill in the question that you wish your students to answer. What is the name of our planet? What is the name of our planet? So I can put here Venus. It's a wrong answer. So I just want to put another answer, the correct. So this one, it will be the wrong answer. So I'm going to put the right answer. The right answer would be Earth. So let's move it to the right side. When you move it to the right side, you can see indication of green color. It means that the answer is the correct answer. Now, if you wish to add more questions, then you can write we can add at least 7 questions to at least 7 questions if you want to use King of Mountain game, and at least 8 questions to bite race. Okay, to bite race game. So today we are going to use Puffy Goose. So let's have like 2 questions or 3 questions. Our solar system has 1 sun. So the answer is true. False. Okay. One more. Earth has how many moons does Earth has? So we put here 5. Wrong answer. 7. Wrong answer. And another one would be 1. So that is it for the question. So if you don't want any more questions, you can always cross the question here on the right side. Just cross it. So we will only have 3 questions. Make sure you save and close. So you see we have 3 questions here. Okay, these are the questions. Okay. All right, now that's set for the high score and setting. Do you show high score list in the game? Do you want to see the high score list in the game? Yes. If yes, and then how many students you want? Maximum players shown in on the high score list? 10. How many players to complete the game before the high score list? Right. Let's say these are the things that you need to fill in if you want to personalize your game, right? Then you go to publish setting. Publish setting is whereby if you want your player to be the one who has the Gamilab account, then click here. If you want anybody without the Gamilab account to play it, so you don't have to click here. And then bear in mind on the top left side of your screen, there is a in red indication. It means that the game haven't been published. If you want the game to be published, you have to click the publish button here. There you go. The game has been published. This is the play code, right? This is the play code, and ZJJJIN, and you close it. Now, how to share your game? This is how you share your game. You can share your game by fill in the game code. Then, after that, you can play the game. This is how you play a game. You use your cursor to play the game, or you can use your keyboard to move the ghost up and down. What you need to do is that you have to go along the path, and when you see the questions, answer the questions. Next. If you see diamonds in the way, grab it. And then again, our solar system has only one sun, so the answer is true. Then move again until you see the end. So as we know that we have 3 questions, so they need to move to forward and also get the diamonds. Oops. All right. The earth has, let's say I choose the wrong answer. So it will indicate that it's a wrong answer. And then straight away move to the last part of the game. Bear in mind, the student needs to be very good in navigating the cursor and also cognitive-wise to answer the question correctly. All right. Again, at the end of the game, you can see the high score. If you want to play it again, you can ask your student to restart it. Okay, that is one way of playing the game. Other way of playing the game is another way to share the code is by clicking the edit button and go to play code. Click the play code. You can see the copy link here. Then you can copy the link and then go to another window and click. This is another way of playing the games. All right, that's all for now. Thank you very much. Hope you will enjoy the game.